Good afternoon. This is Mr. Eric of Recluse Properties. Yes, I think I posted a 3-bedroom apartment. I said it was 4 apartments, but I've already given 2 out. So I posted the ground floor that is available. So now it's time for me to show you the one on the top floor. So I just want you to still have a look at the other side. That's the second main gate here. I think I didn't show you in the first video. Then you have this space right over here. So you have a tap over here if you want to wash your car, and there's a pipe over here. So if you want to wash your car here, you don't want to go to the car wash and you want to wash your car over here, you can equally do that. So we have a very space around the house. Yes, so let me give you or focus on the apartment I want to show you. So just take a look at this. A very beautiful apartment on a hill as well. Good. On a hill as well. For rent, yeah. Okay. So let me take you. Yeah, so this is a space, a big space here that comes with a security wire here, so you can lock up this staircase so that nobody can come here. And I have a very big space by 4 feet 6 staircase space. Yes. So if you are bringing anything to this upstairs here, yes, you are free and you have your freedom or space to carry any items. So when you get to the top here, this is the view. A very beautiful view from this angle. So this side has been taken by a client, and this is the space available that I'm here to show you. It also have a very big balcony here. That comes with a very beautiful type POP at your balcony here. Yes, and this is the view. You have ample view to this greeny environment and very quiet. You just hear the sound of the bird and the air blowing. All right. So you move straight. You move straight to the living area. Okay. This one has a light, and like I said, it also has a natural lighting coming from your window. So this is it. Yes. Beautiful 3-bedroom apartment that comes with 2 fans in the living area. This one is not fixed with AC, but there's a connection has been made here. So if you want to fix the AC here, you are ample to do so. But maybe you want the top apartment and you want us to fix AC for you. I think you equally do that for you. Yeah, so join me as we go once again. So this is the first bedroom here. Very huge, big, and once again, let me say this, a very beautiful POP design up here. Also coming with a very natural lighting entering to your house, always. So you don't need to, so the daytime, there's no need for you to put on light to cost you for electricity. So, and AC connection too has been done here as well. Good, so that you can fix your AC. If you're ample coming with your own AC, it's allowed. if you want us to fix AC for you, or if you want to take it as it is, it's also allowed. So join me as I show you a very simple, nice, beautiful POP attached to this. It also comes with your wardrobe, well built here, with a Ghanaian wood, well polished. This is your restroom. We've got the washroom over here that you have all access. Then good news, you have your water heater well also installed here. That comes with all fitted washroom items. Yes, I love the kitchen floor tiles too as well. Very simple, nice. Good. Okay, join me as I take you straight to the other 2-bedroom. I think the plan of this apartment is almost the same. So I'll take you to the rest of the rest of the bedrooms over here. So from the living area, you get a space, open space, you call it corridor here, to this 2-bedroom available. So this is your father room. That's your guest washroom over here. Well clean and tiled. Now comes with your natural lighting entering this. Oh, yes. Okay, so I walk straight to this bedroom. Like I said, I always call this bedroom as a guest room. So this is the second room here. That also has a natural lighting entering to your bedroom. Your fan is well fixed here. The AC connection once again has been done here. And you have where to place your AC. Don't forget, I told you all the washrooms are ensuite. So you have a beautiful bedroom here. Come with a water heater. Also well inside. I like the tiles that has been used in this washroom. Come with your wash hand basin and as usual your washroom accessories. Good. So your toilet seat is well also planted here. You have a space to make yourself comfortable when you are in here. So let me take you straight to the last bedroom here. Good. So you can testify what I was saying. There's a natural lighting entering into this beautiful bedroom here, and you can see all the bedrooms are well ensued with your beautiful wardrobe and space for you to put any luggage over there. So that's it. Once again, if you are interested in renting 3-bedroom apartment here in Cape Coast, my region, then hit me up. So I take you straight to the washroom. They use the same towel to the washroom of this apartment. Good. So your wash hand basin is also well installed here. That comes with your water heater, well installed. Well, beautiful 3-bedroom apartment by all standards. And you have all your washroom accessories well also fixed here. Good. All right. Straight away, let me take you to where my ladies like most. Oh, beautiful. So I get you straight to the washroom. To the kitchen. Good. So So this is the kitchen. That have the same kitchen cabinet well installed like the ground floor. And like I was saying, I like this place because it has a natural light entering every or each room I showed over here. So this is a door leading to the balcony here. You have a very big balcony here. Yes. Good. So this one is open. So you have a balcony here. That connection has been done here to fix your washing machine. So the tap is here, your socket here to get the power. This is it. And I like the air that is blowing over here because of the greeny environment behind this apartment. The trees are getting a lot of fresh air. Yes. Good. Your sink is here. Very big space for your kitchen. And once again, I'll take you straight to a cute storeroom that is attached to this kitchen for you to store your items that you don't want to be inside the main kitchen proper. So if you are interested, hit me up under my comment section or give me a call or text me through my contact information on this video. Peace up on Africa.